Explain the main features of the Indian Independence Act 1947.
Ma'am, the British rule over India would end with immediate effect. Ma'am, the princely states were given freedom to decide which dominion to join. An independent dominion of India was made, including united provinces which are under British, like Madras Presidency, West Bengal, East Punjab, Assam, etc. West Punjab, frontier Sindh, northwest East Bengal would go to Pakistan, and the Dominion of India and Pakistan were granted complete freedom and they become members of British Commonwealth.
Very good.
The British rule over
Okay.
India would end with
Can you repeat
immediate
the
effect.
question?
The British rule over India
Well,
would end with
explain the main features of the Indian Independence Act 1947.
the British rule over India would end with immediate effect. An independent dominion of India was made, including the provinces under the British, like Madras Presidency, Karnataka, Sindh, Sindh, West Bengal, and East Punjab. Princely states were given the freedom to decide which dominion to join. East Bengal, West Punjab, Northwest Frontier Province, and Sindh were would go to Pakistan. The Dominion of India and Pakistan were granted complete freedom and became members of Britain.
Ma'am, the main features of the Indian Independence Act 1947 are the British rule over India would end with immediate effect. Dominion of India was made, including the United Provinces like Madras Presidency, Karnataka, East Punjab, West Bengal, Assam, etc. The princely states were given the freedom to decide which dominion to join. The Dominion of India and Pakistan were granted complete freedom and they became a member of British Commonwealth. West Punjab, Northwest Frontier Province, Sindh and East Bengal would go to Pakistan.
Good. In which year second? बोलो आयुष बोलोगे?
Ma'am, I can tell.
हाँ बोलो. क्या बोले? नहीं नहीं हम पूछ रहे हैं in which year
It is the union.
came to an end.
Ma'am, what?
Ma'am, which war?
Ma'am,
End
1945.
End in which year?
1945.
Second World War, 1945. 1945.
1945. Very good. अच्छा. At that time, who was the Prime Minister of British India?
Clement Attlee.
Clement Attlee.
Ma'am,
Clement Attlee.
Leader of which party? He belonged to which party?
Labour Party.
Labour
Party.
Party. Labor.
ठीक है. Next question. Who was the last viceroy of India?
Lord
Mountbatten.
Lord Mountbatten.
And who was the first Governor General of independent India?
Lord Mountbatten.
Mountbatten.
Lord Mountbatten.
In which year Goa became free?
1961.
From power?
From Portuguese.
Portuguese, yes. Okay. How many years Constituent Assembly took to complete the drafting of Constitution?
2 years,
Nearly
11
3
months,
years.
11 months and 17 days.
नियरली
Ma'am,
3 मत लिख देना, ठीक है, वही लिखना 2 years 11 month 17 days, कहीं पे 18 days भी है, इससे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बाकी तो सेम है ना, 2 years 11 months तो सेम है, आइदर 17 days लिखो, अगर चॉइसेस में 17 days है तो 17 को ऑप्ट करो, अगर 18 days है तो 18 को ऑप्ट करो, ठीक है, उससे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। अच्छा, इन विच ईयर इंडिया बिकेम अ रिपब्लिक?
1950.
150.
1950.
Yes, yes. अच्छा, what do you mean by constituent assembly?
It was a indirectly elected body from provisional legislature which formed the Constitution of India.
ओके, और कोई आंसर? नहीं। अच्छा, can you explain the if you if you will given write 5 lines on 5-year plan, what
Yes,
will
ma'am,
you
I can tell.
बोलो?
Ma'am, a system of planned development was undertaken was borrowed from USSR. Under this, 5-year plans were made for systematic development in every sphere. In every 5 years, a certain scope will be developed. It was replaced by Niti Aayog in 2015 after the 12th 5-year plan.
किसी आदमी का नाम आप भूल नहीं रहे हो बोलने से?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, he started the
नाम?
Jawaharlal Nehru started. Yeah, Jawaharlal Nehru started the first 5-year plan in
Period?
1951 to 1956.
Yes, 1951 to
1951 to 56.
last 5-year plan, which number बताइए?
12.
12th.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Next question is, what is the difference between political party and regional party?
National level is known as National Political Party. For example, Bharatiya Janata Party, the Communist Party, and Indian National Congress. The political party at the or state level is called the Regional Political Party. For example, Shromani Akali Dal, RJD, National Conference.
किसी के पास कोई और आंसर है? मैंने शायद, अच्छा वो पेज में पोस्ट नहीं की थी, अच्छा ठीक है, और कोई आंसर किसी के पास? ये देखो पेज 177, नीचे देखो, डू यू नो ए पार्टी that scores at least 6% of total vote in an election to the legislative assembly of a state and wins at least 2 seats in recognized as a state party or regional party. और उसमें रहेगा a party that secures at least 6% of total vote. ये सेम है in Lok Sabha election or assembly election in 4 states and win at least 4 seats in the Lok Sabha is recognized as a national party. ठीक है, दोनों ही को 6% वोट जीतने हैं, नेशनल पार्टी के लिए लोकसभा इलेक्शन में और रीजनल पार्टी के लिए लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली ऑफ स्टेट के इलेक्शन में, और रीजनल पार्टी को एटलीस्ट 2 सीट्स जीतने हैं और नेशनल पार्टी को एटलीस्ट 4 सीट जीतने हैं। नेशनल पार्टी लोकसभा इलेक्शन में 6% टोटल वोट पाएगा और 4 सीट जीतेगा, और रीजनल पार्टी स्टेट असेंबली के इलेक्शन में 6% टोटल वोट लेगा और 2 सीट एटलीस्ट जीतेगा, तो फिर वो रिकॉग्नाइज होगा रीजनल में और ये नेशनल में। ये दोनों लाइन यहां से लिखना जरूरी है। अगर दोनों का डिफरेंस लिखने बोले उसके बाद आप दो एग्जाम्पल्स दे दीजिए। दीज आर रीजनल पार्टी एंड दीज आर नेशनल पार्टी। ठीक है, अच्छा अब है क्वेश्चन, हाँ एक मिनट। Mention any 5 basic features of India's foreign policy.
Nationalism,
non-alignment, friendly correlations with neighbors.
Ma'am, promotion of world peace, anti-racism and punchil, anti-colonialism and anti-imperialism.
ओके, और बोलो, और बच्चे बोलो, कोई और बच्चे जवाब दीजिए। सृष्टि बोलो, सृष्टि।
Basic
features of
nations
Indian
and
foreign relations.
non-aligned movements, promotion of world peace, anti-racialism, punchil and legal cooperation.
Ma'am, friendly correlation with neighbors.
सृष्टि,
Basic
what happened? बोलो सृष्टि।
the basic features of India's the basic features of India's policy are belief in united allegiance, second promotion of words, third anti-racialism, fourth punchil and is friendly relations with neighbors, regional cooperation.
ठीक, अच्छा बोलिए, हाईलाइट द मेन फीचर ऑफ डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम इंडिया विजन 2020। मुझे पता है मैंने ये आंसर आपको नहीं बताया है, फिर भी लास्ट पेज के
बताया है
पैरा से बताइए।
मैम बताया है,
मैम आपने बताया है।
मैम
The
बताया
main
आपने।
features of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's India Vision 2020 are to remove
Population
illiteracy,
growth,
हाँ हाँ
to
हाँ,
tackle population growth, to improve health and nutrition of Indians,
वेरी गुड।
raising of
education from basic to
agricultural and industrial productivity, and to improve the education from basic to science and technology.
ओके, एंड लास्ट में ये लाइन जरूर लिख देना, इन
The
द
main feature
प्रेसिडेंट। किसी को याद है ये लाइन? डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम, the day is not far when enlightened and ignited minds will transform India into a competitive, beautiful nation. ठीक है, तो अच्छा लगेगा। अच्छा, कोई और बोलोगे ये आंसर? बोलो।
the main features of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam are to tackle population growth, to remove illiteracy, improving health and nutrition, raising of agricultural and industrial things, improve the education from basic to high-tech technology.
यस, ओके। अच्छा, अब बताइए, द इंस्टीट्यूशन रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर होल्डिंग फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शन इन इंडिया?
Election Commission.
Election Commission.
The architect of India's foreign policy?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
जवाहरलाल नेहरू।
तो 5
Jawaharlal Nehru.
आपने शुरू किया था बोलना, तो उसमें इसी लाइन से शुरू करना कि द चीफ आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ इंडियाज फॉरेन पॉलिसी वाज पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू। He started this from this year to this year, इस तरह से फिर स्टार्ट करना। At present, 12th 5-year plan lastly 12th five-year plan was implemented, and then it is क्या है by Niti, it was replaced. हाँ सुन समझ में आया क्या बोली? हेलो हेलो हाँ सृजा को बोल रही थी कि 5-year प्लान में शुरुआत ऐसे करना. द आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ इंडिया फॉरेन पॉलिसी वाज पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू एंड this 5-year plan was presented for a period of 1951 to 56. The first 5-year plan was presented from this to this year in Parliament. At present, lastly, 12 5-year plan were implemented, and now this plan was replaced by Niti Aayog. अच्छा नाउ ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर बोलो. एक्सप्लेन एनी 3 challenges being faced by the Indian society even now.
Ma'am, the 3 challenges are poor health, illiteracy, and poverty. Illiteracy. People are still unable to read and write. Poverty. People are
Listen, ये बोलना in some region, in some places, still they are not a vast population. In some places of our country, a vast population is still illiterate. They don't know to read and write. पूरी तरह से मत बोल देना कि they are illiterate. तो फिर हम लोग भी illiterate में ही काउंट हो जाएंगे, है ना श्रेजा? ठीक है, उसमें थोड़ा लैंग्वेज में चेंजेस. चलो आगे बोलो.
poor health. Some people are poor and they cannot afford a good living standard. Poor health. Due to poverty, some people do not get proper health facilities, lack nutrition.
और बोलो.
Ma'am, we solved many problems and many issues, but poverty, illiteracy, and poor health continue as the biggest threat to the peace and progress of our country.
हाँ. फिर next, our democratic government has also protected the interest of the backward sections of the society. Justify the statement by giving 3 arguments.
The role of the interest of backward sections of the society include: first, reservations are provided to the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes in legislature, education, and government jobs. Second, free and fair elections are conducted by the Election Commission of India every year. People uh, people participate in the process of decision making and also voice their opinion so that lawmakers can make laws accordingly. Every person is equal in status and opportunity in the eyes of law and is entitled to vote in the elections.
Okay.
3 suitable examples for a democratic government and its rule in protecting the interest of the backward sections of the society are: citizens are involved in the process of decision making so that poor people can also voice their opinion and lawmakers make their law accordingly. There is an electoral system that helps to secure the interest of the backward sections of the society. there is a degree of equality amongst citizens of the country, that there is a equal opportunity of the backward sections can about voice their opinion and come out of their backwardness.
Describe the progress made by India in the field of industry and agriculture.
Our economic progress can be witnessed in expansion and diversification of production of both industry and agriculture. Government has followed a policy of encouraging indigenous industry and given them a lot of assistance. In the agriculture sector, mechanization, irrigation, fertilizers, and research have improved the scenario, and as a result, the agriculture production has shot up both quantitatively and qualitatively.
Shoot up, shot up
Our
नहीं, shoot
economic
up. हाँ. Next. और बोलो, कोई और बोलो ये आंसर.
our
Our
The
economic
Indian
economic
progress
economy
can be
has
progress
developed a lot
witnessed in
since
expansion and
1947.
diversification of
Expansion and
production, both in
diversification of production, both in industries and agriculture. Government has also followed a policy of encouraging indigenous industries and given them a lot of assistance. In the agriculture sector, mechanisms, irrigations, fertilizers, and research has improved the scenario. As a result, the agricultural product has shot up qualitatively and quantitatively.
ये बोलो, सौम्या बोलो.
our economic progress can be witnessed in expansion and diversification of production, both in industry and agriculture. Government has also followed a policy of encouraging indigenous industries and given them a lot of assistance. In the agriculture sector, mechanization, irrigation, fertilizers, and research have improved the scenario. As a result, the agricultural production has shot up both quantitatively and qualitatively.
Shoot up होगा. चलो, अविका. अविका बोलो.
The Indian economy has developed a lot since 1947. Our economic progress can be witnessed in the expansion and diversification of production both in industries and in agriculture. Um, and in agriculture, the mechanization, irrigation, fertilizers, and research have improved the scenario, and as a result the agriculture production has shoot up both qualitatively and quantitatively.
Okay. सृष्टि बोलोगी.
our economic our economic process progress can be issued in expansion and diversification of production both in industry or agriculture. Government has also followed encouraging indigenous industry and given them a lot of assistance. In the agriculture sector, mechanization, irrigation, fertilizers, and research has improved the scenario. As a result, the agricultural production has shot up both quantitatively and qualitatively.
Last बोलो. Why did India opt for a democratic setup? In your opinion, how far have we succeeded in this respect?
The path that independent India had to follow was planned during the freedom struggle itself. Hence, it aimed at vesting the sovereign power in the hands of people. Hence, India opted for a democratic government. In 1967, some regional parties came into prominence except besides the Congress. This was a period of actual democratization of India. Uh, due to, in spite of many challenges and changes, Indian Indian politics, Indian democracy has not faltered from its onward march. Indian democracy has been functioning successfully. The In recent times, we have witnessed politics of fronts and alliances and coalition governments. Also, uh, also multi-party system has become the axis of democracy that provides a government which is accountable to the citizens and responsive to their needs and hopes.
Good. कोई और बोलोगे?
Yes, ma'am. The
The
part that
part that
independent India was planned during the freedom struggle itself. It aimed at vesting the sovereign power in the hands of the people. Hence, India opted for democracy setup. The Congress under Jawaharlal Nehru controlled the reins of the government after independence till 1964. But the year of 1967 proved to be a turning point when some states parties, regional parties came into provinces. Indian democracy has been functioning successfully except for 2 years when a state of emergency was imposed in 1975 by Mrs. Indira Gandhi, the then Prime Minister. We have witnessed coalition government and politics of fronts or alliances. Uh,
The assembly that made the Constitution of India is called
Constituent
Constituent
Assembly.
Assembly.
Constituent Assembly.
the colonial state liberated from the French.
Pondicherry.
Pondicherry.
Good.
Pondicherry.
Write short note on Green Revolution.
Green Revolution
Green
is a
Revolution.
sudden dramatic change in crop production. It aimed at improving the agricultural scenario of India. It was introduced by S. Swaminathan, and it introduced hybrid variety of Mexican wheat in India.
Who became the Deputy Prime Minister of Free India?
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Very good.
Sardar Vallabh.
Vallabhbhai Patel.
Very good. Mention the year of introduction of Morlem into reform.
1909.
1900.
Rowlatt Act,
1919.
1919.
Jallianwala Bagh Massacre,
1913.
1919.
Partition of Bengal,
1905.
1905.
Division of Congress,
1907.
And 1970.
Quit India Movement,
1942.
Congress and Moderate reunited in the year
1916.
1916.
Lucknow Pact,
Lucknow Pact.
1916.
1916.
Ma'am, 19.
Montague Chelmsford Reform,
1919.
1990.
Government of India Act,
1935.
1919 and 1935.
Indian Independence Act,
1947.
47.
And 1947.
mm, Dandi March,
1930.
1930.
12 March
the
1920.
incident Chauri Chaura,
1922.
in which year Simon Commission came to India,
1927.
27.
Mm, the farmers shout help in Champaran, in which year?
1917.
Ma'am,
Home Rule League established in Madras,
1916.
1916.
Two sect of Congress,
Moderates and radicals.
person help A. Hume to form the Indian National Congress?
72 Indian
72
delegates.
Educated Indian delegates.
Educated Indians. In which year Indian National Congress formed?
1885.
1885.
1885.
85.
58. नहीं, 1885. तुम लोग क्या बोले? हम अभी तक भी सुने नहीं हैं.
85.
1885.
हाँ, 1885 आ रहा, सॉरी, 85 है ना, 1885. क्या बोलो समझ नहीं पा रही हूँ. ठीक है, चलो. फुल नेम ऑफ लाल बाल पाल?
Lala Lajpat
Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra
Rai,
Pal.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Okay. Next, who was known as Frontier Gandhi?
Abdul Ghaffar Khan.
Ghaffar Khan.
Abdul Ghaffar Khan. How many supporters accompanied Gandhiji during his Dandi March?
78.
78 supporters. From where this march began?
Sabarmati Ashram.
Date of two round table conferences year?
1930 and 1931.
1931.
Very good. बहुत अच्छी तैयारी है.